Hi, this is Bloom. Today, we'll show you how to create a 3D scene in After Effects using a coin as an example. The finished 3D project from this video will be available in our Telegram channel. First, create a shape layer and switch it to 3D mode. In the renderer settings, choose Advanced 3D. Now we need to add depth to our layer. Go to Geometry options and increase the extrusion depth. Next, add some rounding to the edges of the coin. You can choose any bevel style that fits your design. Duplicate the layer and change its color. Also, reduce the scale for this layer. Now disable fill for the red layer and add a stroke instead. Parent this layer to the main one. Adjust the scale and increase the extrusion depth again. Duplicate the white layer and immediately parent it to the main layer. Change its color and reduce the size. Increase the extrusion depth again and adjust the layer's position as needed. Now add text and choose the font you like. Convert the text into a 3D layer and parent it to the coin. Increase the extrusion depth for the text and add a bevel. Then slightly adjust the text position. To make the coin rotate around its own axis, move the anchor point to the center of the coin. Next, let's work on the lighting. Create a spotlight, although you can also use a point light. Now change the color of the layers. Apply one color to all the coin layers. Increase the specular shininess in the material options, then copy these parameters and apply them to the other layers. Next, create a solid and apply fractal noise to it. Set parameters similar to ours. Then create an environment light and in the light settings, choose the solid layer. The coin will now have reflections created with fractal noise. To add more color to the scene, create an adjustment layer and apply levels. Adjust the level settings as needed. You can also slightly reduce the intensity of the environment light. Now enable shadows. You might notice a lot of noise. To fix this, increase the render quality. We currently have high render quality enabled, but we'll reduce it for now to avoid slowing down the project while working. Create another light source. We can also add more detail to the coin by creating a pattern on its edges. Duplicate the outer coin layer and add dashes in the stroke settings. Use values similar to ours. Reduce the stroke and scale, then parent this layer to the coin. Adjust the extrusion. That's it. Before rendering, enable all the lights and increase the render quality. Subscribe to our channel and leave reactions under the video. It helps the channel grow and allows us to create more tutorials. Thanks for watching.